Engineering and manufacturing careers in Massachusetts and Connecticut are in demand. Median wage opportunities surpass industry standards and thrive in a dynamic environment valuing innovation and technical expertise. The Agawam High School pathway in these fields provide an introduction in designing and creating products to meet specifications or solve problems, covering aspects like engineering process, safety, machining, and quality control. Specialized programs offer hands-on experience in areas such as computer-aided design, prototyping, and manufacturing techniques, with industry certifications showcasing expertise in safety, machining, and computer-aided design. Credits earned in select courses are transferable to Springfield Technical Community College's Mechanical Engineering Technology program. Find your gateway to a fulfilling career with the engineering and manufacturing pathway.